Hey everyone, excuse me. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I am on my way from recovering from a head cold, so if my voice seems a little bit droned out and monotonous, I do apologize in advance, but I am feeling better than I actually sound. So how are you all? I hope you're all been well. So today is a lovely Friday. It's very windy outside, it's very cold, and I thought I would just do a glam video. I felt like filming a makeup video, so let's get into doing it. I've got a couple of products that I've pulled out randomly. I have a lot of makeup products, skincare products, which I am slowly going through at the moment in terms of tossing or keeping, and these are ones that I'm sort of wanting to use up, and they're not necessarily in the part where I want to toss just yet. So let's just, talk about some of the products I'm going to be using today as well. For my base today, I don't actually have anything on. I only have a moisturizer from this morning, which is just the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Rich Cream. Anyway, it's the one that's not very, very rich because it's more for the oily type skin, combination type. Yeah. So that's all I've got on at the moment. Now, I'm going to be mixing two products today for foundation, but I am actually going to leave these two products on last because we don't know if there's going to be a lot of eyeshadow fallout and all that sort of stuff. So to deal with that better, I'm going to be putting on my base of Estee Lauder. This one here is the Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup, and the which one? This is Auric Glow Lust. It's a luminizer, highlighter, all over the skin, finish, doer, you name it. I'm going to mix these two products together when we go and do the foundation. So them aside, I'm actually going to prime the eyes. I'm going to prime the eyes with the NARS Shadow Proof eyeshadow primer, and that's what we're going to be doing first. So I'm just putting a bit of that primer over the eyelids right now, and we're going to start off with doing the eyes. And I don't know what eye look I'm doing today, but I want it to be pretty smoky, pretty sort of dramatic, I don't know, pretty impactful. Because that's just, I'm in that mood for having a smoky eye. So we can decide at the end of this if it's going to be more nighttime, more daytime, more whatever. I mean, for me, nighttime makeup works perfect for daytime, and daytime makeup works perfect for nighttime, right? We've primed the eyelids. Now I have an eyeshadow palette which I'm going to be using because I haven't used it in a while. It's by Sigma Beauty. It's the Spectrum eyeshadow palette with these very, very neutral, coolish, slightly warm nude tones. And I will just open that up so you can see what that actually looks like. Now I'll just try and duck out of the frame there. Aren't they just pretty beautiful? I have a feeling my battery's going to die, so I'm going to change the camera. I'm going to change the battery before it does, and I'll be right back.
Your love's got me singing in the morning. Got that to a voice. Why would we need more than? Yeah, your love's got me singing in the morning. Breakfast and conversations that don't get boring. Sun's peeking through the curtain. Eyes opening once again. Never really seems to get old, no matter what I'm told. They say it'll fade, but after all this time, it's still gold. Your love's got me singing in the morning. Got that to a voice. Why would we need more than? Yeah, your love's got me singing in the morning. Breakfast and conversations that don't get boring.
So that's the completed look. I guess we went a bit glam today, didn't we? On a dreary grey day. I also remembered I didn't even put any highlighter in the centre of the eye. But you know what? I don't think the look needs it. I think we can carry it off without. I don't know, there's something just dark and brooding with this look. I mean, I didn't even really go ahead and fix it up, but if you really wanted the sharp edges, you could, get the tape and do all that sort of stuff, or you could even just get some concealer and clean up the edges. But in all honesty, I just didn't really feel like doing that. So we are leaving it mysteriously messy. The mysteriously messy eye look. Maybe that's what I'll call this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Consider sharing it with someone who you think might get some use out of it. To my recent subscribers, thank you so much for joining the channel. It means the world to me. For my current subscribers, I love you all. I love everyone, anyone who just enjoys watching my video. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. And on that note, I am going to make a cup of coffee and sip it slowly. Who am I kidding? I'm going to gulp it down. Okay, bye.